Greetings, it's Alex Scher for the Shelburne Freelancer. I'm at Jellycraft Bakery today, and I'm interviewing a new Shelburnite, and his name is David Record. Hello there.
Hey everybody, it's David Record coming to you live at the Jellycraft Bakery in Shelburne, Ontario. Here pleasantly doing an interview. I appreciate it. Just wanted to say hello to everybody in Shelburne and let you know that we just came out here, set up the entertainment company, Rise Again Entertainment. Right now we're preparing for a national tour, and we're looking for you, all you creative people, all you business-minded people, to come along on this ride with us. You know, we're looking for some people to hire for this tour. So what you need to do is go to www.davidrecordmusic.com and send in your resumes, cover letters, and your love. Alright?
Thank you very much.
Yes.